In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel country. To get started, head over to youtube.com and log into the account that you want to change the channel country for. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of YouTube and click onto your YouTube profile icon to bring up this menu. From here, come and click onto YouTube Studio. And once you're in your studio, you want to come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto settings. Now once the settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto channel. In the channel section, you're going to see an option for your country of residence, which if you click onto the drop down box, you can select your channel country from here. So I'm going to change it to Germany. So this is really good if you've moved country, for example. And then what you can do is come and click onto save at the bottom. Once you've clicked save, you're going to get a confirmation pop-up at the bottom. And what you can now do is if you actually come across to your channel page, and once you've done that, if you click onto more in your channel description at the top, from here, if you scroll down, you're going to find your current country of residence. So you can see my new channel country is now showing as Germany. So that is how to change YouTube channel country. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more YouTube and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.